Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring assets like Solana between wallets is a must-know skill. Today, we're breaking down how to seamlessly move your Solana from Phantom Wallet to Uphold. This guide is straightforward, secure, and tailored to the latest updates for 2025, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Phantom Wallet and an Uphold account set up. Phantom is your go-to for managing Solana on the blockchain, while Uphold offers easy fiat conversions. Start by opening your Phantom Wallet app or extension on your device. You'll see your dashboard. Locate your Solana balance and click on it to initiate a transfer. Next, you'll need the Uphold wallet address. Head over to your Uphold account, navigate to the Solana section, and copy the deposit address. Double-check that it's for the Solana network to avoid any errors. Always verify to prevent lost funds. Back in Phantom, select Send or Transfer. Paste the Uphold address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of Solana you want to move. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that estimate before confirming. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction summary. Review it carefully, then approve with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a passphrase. The transfer should process quickly on the Solana blockchain, usually in seconds to minutes. Afterward, hop back to Uphold and refresh your account to see the Solana arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Give it a few minutes and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. A few quick tips for 2025. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts. Stay updated on any Uphold or Phantom policy changes, and never share your private keys. This process is simple, but security is key in crypto. There you have it. Your Solana is now in Uphold, ready for whatever's next. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.